Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be discussing about few internships available for different batches in the market. The first one here is Keysight Software Tool Developer. Keysight Technologies is the name of the company. Position is Software Tool Developer. This position is open for interns. Location at Singapore. Batch, I tried to find out, they have not mentioned. They only have specified that one should be from the major of computer science, information technology, or EC. So different batches candidates can apply for the same, and accordingly they can check out. Now the job qualifications, the basic ones which are required are that you should have programming skills in one of these technologies. In your BTech career, you must have done programming on either of the technologies. So accordingly, you can go for it. So either should be Python or Java or JavaScript or C++. Now desired qualifications means this is not mandatory, but yes, preferable, that you should be from electronic engineering or computer science background. You should enjoy research, self-driven, ability to think outside the box is a bonus. So if you're eager for a Singapore based company, you want to make your career in the same, please apply for the same. Links are mentioned in the description box. Next position here is, this is with Qualcomm Interim Engineering. Position is again of intern. Batch, again it is not mentioned. So different batches can apply for the same. Location for this would be either Bangalore or Chennai or Hyderabad or Noida. So people staying in these locations can apply for the same, or who are willing to relocate can also apply for the same. Now for this, the education required is either master's or bachelor's in computer science, communication engineering or ECE. Job area here is software. Location, as I already told you, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai or Noida. So here you'll need to design, develop software for Qualcomm's mobile chipsets, which are based on cutting edge technologies. So once you want to work with Qualcomm, you should be energetic, creative and self-driven engineer to work in the same. You should have knowledge of multimedia technologies such as audio and video codes, image processing, wireless modem technologies such as 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, self-organizing networks and so on. You should know platform level software such as Linux, Android, Windows, both support packages. IoT technologies for connected cameras, smart assistants, drones, virtual reality, augmented reality. Even if you know few of these things, and even if you know these things theoretically, that should be enough because you are applying as an intern. Third position here is with Rupeek. This is again for intern. Batches mentioned is those who have passed out in 23, 24, 25, 26, all can apply for the same. Duration will be 3 to 6 months and the position is of a product design. So all of you who want to make their career in product design can apply for an intern in this company. Details are mentioned in the description box, right? So next position is with Totality Corp, Unreal Game Development, and the qualification required is currently pursuing bachelor's degree in CS, game design or related field. So this is a remote position. So people candidates from all the locations can apply for the same because they have to work in remote for the same. Now the candidates who need to apply should be available for 6 months, should have relevant skills and interest, should be open to work as remote position. Stipend here would be 15,000 per month. They would be getting a certificate 5 days a week and a job offer as well. Next position is with Jupiter AI Labs. The position is of QA automation intern. This is again a remote position. Qualification here again required is currently pursuing a degree in CS, software engineering or related field. So the role here is of a QA automation intern. Position is remote. Immediate joiners preferred. Duration would be 6 months and timings would be 8 hours. Right? Okay. So the last position I would be discussing today is with Razorpay intern position. This is a Bangalore based position and product design is the designation. So in case you want to make your career in product design, please go for it. Batch again was not mentioned. So all of you who wants to apply as intern can apply for the same. So please apply today. The links are mentioned in the description box. Please go through it. If you face any problem or any queries, please feel free to contact me. And good luck. So follow for more. Thank you. Bye-bye.